Hi guys, my name is Joseph and I'm going to be sharing my experience with Antonon Harney's code support. Like everyone else during this pandemic, I hit a point where I was really stressed, I was worried, and anything, maybe a mild cold, a mild cough, felt like I had COVID, which really took its toll on me mentally, and I was finding it really hard to breathe. So I reached out to Antonon Harney and they asked me to code support, and in a matter of minutes after they helped me, I was able to breathe better. I was able to feel so much calmer, and over the next few days I was so relaxed, and it really helped me because I remember how difficult it was and how stressed out I was, and after that I felt so calm, such ease in my body, and my breathing has come back and I feel so much healthier. So I'm really grateful for Antonon Harney's code support, and I wanted to reach as many people as possible.